My name is Tolu. 5 quick tips in Figma that helps my workflow. Jump straight into it. I have this beautiful shape here, and I want the corners rounded. The way I like to do it is click on either of these 4 little dots at the corner and just drag them in however I like it, and then there I have my rounded corners. And some cases I might just want one of the corners rounded, so what I need to do is click on option button, and then I have one of the corners rounded. Nice and easy. The second one is I have this picture and this shape right here, and I want the picture to go right in the middle of the shape. So all I have to do is select both the shape and picture, and then come here, click this to align horizontally, and then click this to align vertically, bang on in the middle. That's all I need. The third one is I like to drop I'd like this to be decrease and increase, such as I would still retain the form of it. So what I need to do is, if I do that without clicking anything, without holding anything, then that's what I get. It changes the shape. But if I click on the shift button, I can easily decrease and increase without losing its shape. And the same thing applies to this guy as well. If I do that without holding the shift key, that's what I get. But once I hold the shift key, I have this all nice and easy. I can easily decrease and increase however I like it. The fourth one, so I have this button right here. I want the properties to be duplicated in the other shape. All I have to do is copy the properties, and come here and then paste the properties on that one, bang on. That goes straight in. And then for this one, I have this rectangle, and I want half of it. I don't want the full width of it. The way I like to do it is just come here and then do a quick math and divide it by 2. I have mine. And then in case I want 30 pixels extra, I can easily just go back there and then go plus 30 and have plus 30 pixels. That's a quick tips for now. Hopefully I'll see you again later. Bye now.